balcony.
Ours is just looking sweet.
She said she need that type of shit that's gonna break her back.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another in-depth car specs. You guys will see today in the thumbnail of the video, we're going to be installing some fender shrouds, making our engine bay a little bit colder. I got it right here in front of me, and these are the Perrin. I did order them from Emnotech, E-M-N-O-T-E-K. They're the cheapest one I found. I didn't want to pay for the overpriced one from the Perrin website. And I thought it was gonna be, since it was cheaper, I thought it wasn't gonna bring any of the bolts and stuff like that, but it did. So there's no point of buying the expensive one. It's just their way of making money, I would say. So yeah, we got the Perrin one, red. It does have the little texture to it, so it looks nice, you know. Came in with the package and all that, and it looks pretty nice.
Got in my bed, she blow me up. Many calls, tryna act like I'm dead. These checks up on me, I can't add them all. Help me straight Pokemon with these women, yeah, I done had them all. Suicide, not the answer, but I get you sad and all. You not always gon' get your way, but shit gon' change. I just woke up, I'm still fresh to death, oh my God, no fault.
So we got the little kit that brings it. This is not plug and play, which with the plastics is basically you have to add on some of the these rivet tool and stuff like that. And but yeah, very simple. I'm gonna show you guys, walk you guys through that. And as well, you're gonna need dropped it. You're gonna need one of these plastic removals to take off the factory ones. You don't need it, but you could do a screwdriver if you want. Also, I am going to be doing two parts in this video, and that's because I am going to be cutting my fenders. Not cutting in this fender outside, but making some holes, because these are not functional. They're just there for decoration. So we're going to be cutting that, but that's going to be in a separate video, just to make those fender shrouds actually functional. And yeah, let's get to it. So we're going to start off by taking off these clips right here. All you have to do is just get under the first layer and push it up. There is 4 clips in total, and they come off like this. So you pull the top and they look just like this. For these side plastic, these little panel thingies, they're kind of difficult to take off, but since they're bendable, they're easy. You just gotta angle it up, and then it should come up like this. You're gonna locate your holes for where you took off the original fender. It's gonna be this one up here, this one right here on the side. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna find your little rivet tool, right? So wrench, kind of, it looks like a little wrench, and then you're gonna put your black bolt with a black washer, and then the rivet. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna sit that flat with the original hole. And then you're gonna get your little Allen key, and then tighten it. It looks something like this. All right, you can still move it and all, but then once you start tying it, you're gonna see that you're not gonna be able to pull it out because it's expanding. Once it started expanding, just try to line it up as much as possible and get it as straight as you can. Right now it's super hard to tie in. These are the first turns that you're doing at the top of it. So as you guys can see, you turn it a couple times and it's pretty hard to move, and it's getting crushed at the bottom. I'll show you guys right now. It's getting crushed, and that's what we want, so it won't fall out. So a tip that I would recommend when you're adding these rivet nuts is to tighten it until you see that this doesn't move anymore, side to side or back and forth. It also starts slipping in the back, so you have to probably hold it with your finger or put more pressure in the back part. As you guys can see, this one didn't come out. This one slipped, but look how good it came out. See if I can show you guys. See, it's like, it's super flat, and then when we come over here, You guys can see this somehow is a little bit lifted. So that just means that you over torqued it, as opposed to that one that is flat. So just letting you guys know. Now for the Perrin fenders, there's a way that you have to put them in, and there's this little arc, the big arc, because it has two. Well, the big arc goes all the way to the back. So the upper corner, I would say put it in and then angle it like this, and then as soon as you got it into place with the bracket here, all you have to do is turn it to the side. Line up like that. Now install your new bolts with the washer. So your new bolt, just like that, and your washer that looks like this. Install them. I wish they would have been in a red color as well, or black, but they didn't have it. You could paint them, or either go to Home Depot and buy some black ones. But this will work for now. So once you have them all torqued down, it should look something like that, and that's the final look. And as you guys see, that's our final look. I would say Perrin has a pretty good quality. They had it well thought out. They even had these little holes for the hood latch. So yeah, see how it's pretty nice and thick. Also have them over here, but there's nothing over there. So, but yeah, that's how it looks. It gives it a nice touch. Quick disclaimer: it doesn't have that little wrinkly look, but this one's a little bit darker than that one for sure. You can even tell on camera. This is a little bit darker. I would have loved if it was a little darker. I even tried to see if it was dirty, but it's not. Hopefully you guys enjoy that quick installation for the Perrin Fender Shrouds. I will be doing a second video. If you guys want to check it out, you guys can do so. But I will be doing that in the next video. So hopefully you guys enjoy that. Please leave a like, subscribe, and until next time, peace guys.